Hello and welcome to the demo of the YouTube clone project. Let me go over a few things that we have in this project. So the idea of the project, of course, was to create a clone of the YouTube website. You can see what I built here. The very first thing actually I built was a quota tracker because we're using the YouTube API and we only get 10,000 quota a day. So you can see it here in the upper right corner is a quota tracker. See, not too much has been used today, but if I hover over this, it will tell me I've used 552 out of 10,000 quota. This is just here to alert you in case you're using too much quota. And in order to avoid using too much quota, we have cached results, which means that they'll be stored locally, so we don't have to retrieve them from the API every time, which is great. You can see I have a few stored here already. So if I just go ahead and click, well, actually, I believe the one I have stored is actually long duration. So let me go ahead come down here, hit the over 20-minute filter. You can see we've added duration long up here in the URL. And if I click HTML, you can now see that we have HTML results. So if I go ahead and scroll through this, you can see all these results listed here. If we take a look at this, you can see there's the thumbnail, the duration of the video that is displayed. You can see the title of the video, its view count, how long ago it was published. If you hover over this, it should give you an exact time it was published. You can see the channel's thumbnail and title, and then the short description of the video. So I go ahead and click on this video, it'll pull it open here. And we can see here that we have the main video. I can click that to play it. Let's not do that because this video is not that important right now. We're just demonstrating this app, but you can see it does play. Now we can see here again the video title listed down here. Again, the thumbnail of the user who uploaded the video, the channel title, and then the number of subscribers that channel has. We can also see the like count for the video, how many views the video's had, how long ago it was published. Again, you can hover over it, see that exact date. And you can now see the full description of the video listed out here. We come down here to the bottom, we can see the comments, first the comment count, and then we can see comments down here below. You can see the actual comment, the user who left the comments, display name, when that comment was left, its exact time. If you hover over it, you can see the user's thumbnail. And then if you look over on the right side, you can see a list of suggested videos. So again, we have thumbnail, duration, title, the channel that published it, the views the video has gotten, and then how long ago it was published, and the exact time. All right, if I come back here, let's go back and take another look at the main page. So I can search CSS. Notice I can search from either page. It'll pop back over here. Now in this case, we didn't filter by anything. So it just went ahead and gave us some short videos, long videos, et cetera, et cetera. Let's say I want to show only videos over 20 minutes. I can do that. You see all these videos have longer durations. If I click 4 to 20 minutes, you can see these are now medium duration videos, and we've already seen, but I can click under 4 minutes. So there you go. All these videos are now under 4 minutes. You can see their durations. If I go back to this for the 4 to 20, or if I go to the over 20, which are probably the better videos in any event if you actually want to learn CSS. We have some other filters here that we can go through. So let's just go through that. Well, first of all, let's sort them. So relevance is just a default. So if you sort by that, no big deal. Just sorted by relevance, the default. But I can sort by date. You see that it puts the first ones first. So this is 15 days ago, 3 months ago, 6 months ago, 8 months ago, and so on. I can search by title. So this just sorts them alphabetically. You see numbers come first, and then A, C, probably a lot of C's because CSS, and then G, H, and so on. You go by view count, you can see this video here is 17 million, 15 million, 5.6, 4.8, 3.4, etc. And if I click likes, well, you have to click through to each video, which I can do. So I go to this one. Let's just do the first few. So this first video here has 317,000 likes. Next video has 180,000 likes. Next video has 120,000 likes. You can see those are descending. So those have been sorted correctly. Now, let me go ahead and sort by date just to show this last little filter. So if I click published within the last hour, you can see here we're looking at some videos that were published within the last hour and that are over 20 minutes long. Apparently there's not many because we only got 4 results. But you see 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 14 minutes, and 42 minutes. If I click today, now you can see similar videos, but going back longer, right? 4 hours, 5 hours, but scroll all the way to the bottom. You can see 18 hours is the top amount. I go to the next one this week, do another search, and we can see 4 hours, 6 hours, 13 hours, and then 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago. And that's it because they're all from this week. If I do this month, we can see 7 minutes ago, but then 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 5 days ago, 7 days ago, 12 days ago, 13 days ago, all the way down to 17 days ago because they're all from this month. And finally this year, if I click that, we can see here we go 12 days ago, 2 months ago, 6 months ago, and then 9 months ago is the longest ago we have. So all these years are from this month. And we can always come over here and just sort these. So we can see all those. If you come back to home, it will clear everything out again. You can search something else. Maybe I want over 20 minutes and JavaScript. I can just pull this up. So there you go. There is the YouTube clone project. And you can see that we have used some quota here. We're now up to 1462 after all those searches I just did. You can click through the video, go back. A couple things for the quota. I have marked here that each quota cost, each search costs a quota of up to 150, so that's marked there. Also marked over here and also on these filters. All right, I believe that is it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.